Alright, let's see. Oh no, what is that? Oh my god. What is that? Okay. Oh my god. Oh, we have to watch car. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so scary. The car is so scary. Oh my god. This is freaking awesome. I'm so scared. Look. See that? Look. Okay, look. Watch car. And this video is published on February 28, 2019. This video is published on February 20, 2019. 2019. Look. This video is published on February 28, 2019. Oh my god! Where are we going? Oh, there we go. Okay. No mistake. Oh gosh. Our car is super duper dirty. Dirty, okay. Why your car beep? Stop beeping the car. Hey there. Come on. Come on. Hey, come on. I'm so oh my god. Oh my. Oh.
Yeah.
Please select an option from Please select a car wash
Oh.
by pressing one of the service buttons on the screen.
Basic wash?
Yeah.
Basic what?
Please select Expert. Please insert cash or card.
Cash or card? B6. Okay.
Please insert cash or card.
B6.
What's going on here?
You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the sign ahead.
No!
And thank you again for your car
Oh my god.
Let's
Let's go. Are we ready? Oh no. Oh. Okay. No. Oh no. I'm so scared. Oh my god. Just let me know. I'm scared. Oh my god. My god. Look at this one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh man. This is a basic watch. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah! What an enormous what enormous word is this? Oh my god.
Look at it! Oh!
Wow. Look at the back. Pizza. Pizza. Spray! Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no.